Alright, guys, and now it is time to take the computer over to Trent's house. This is part 2 of Project Monochrome, the build that is for my brother. 6600K, 1070 Ti for the win from EVGA. Basically, it's just an upgrade of his old computer. He already had the 6600K, everything. We're going to take it over to him right now. As you can see, look down, look! It's in a blanket. It's all protected. Ooh, such protection. All right, so let's go. Okay, it's time to surprise him. Come on.
Take out my dirty clothes. Give me a second.
We'll meet you.
So, where you want to do us?
Yes, a little bit. Not super duper a lot. But I did know that something was up when you were talking to my parents.
My parents? Do you mean my mom and dad too?
Our parents.
They're just yours. Do you know something I don't?
You don't live at home anymore, so they're not your
You're
parents.
not my parents anymore?
They're my parents now.
Alright, Trent's room is a little bit of... Wow. Trent, you consider that cleaning your desk? Trent.
Oh, I got nothing to do with these magic cards. So, yeah, it's nice and clean. Clean. Am I supposed to be looking for something?
Are you dense?
Oh, the G4. Oh, I didn't see that part.
Trent.
What?
That's a 1070 Ti. What did you think when Amber and I brought over the computer?
I didn't really notice it because I still thought it would be Amber's GPU and I didn't remember which one she had. So I kind of didn't really pay attention to it until you pointed it out, and I was like, "Ooh, that's exciting."
So when you figured it out, was it kind of like, was it kind of a shock that you weren't gonna have to play at low settings anymore, and that you were actually gonna be able to play stuff at like without worrying about stuff crashing?
I was more excited that it wouldn't overheat at any settings. That's all I cared about really, but no, I still love it now. It's amazing. Okay, where'd you get it from?
Mom and Dad bought it, plus me. We all
When?
pitched in for it. That's actually what came today to your house.
You're scaring me now, because
Those are all custom sleeve cables that I did. You've got new storage. You got
how much did you pay for it?
So majestic.
except for the desk is messed up AF. I put in $100. Mom and Dad, I believe, put $200 in, and you got to give them $200. But so basically, 1070 Ti. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All custom painted case. This was that
I thought you were
black
talking
case.
about this. I ain't gonna
No.
lie. I was like, am I supposed to be looking for little stickers?
No. All that's custom painted. All this is custom
I
painted.
see.
We couldn't redo your RAM obviously because RAM is too expensive. You've got 2 terabytes of storage now
Okay.
that are much faster than what you had before.
Do you have somewhere to store
What
cards?
Trent doesn't what Trent had before for storage was like 2 very
Oh, wait, you mentioned
slow.
storage. I wasn't even paying attention to the storage part.
Yeah.
I can play at any settings. I'm not playing at like super ultra, like 144, 44 refresh rate, like 4K monitor, so I can have it like ultra.
So
Don't gotta worry about that stuff.
What's the next thing you're gonna? Oh, because you could upgrade to a 1440p monitor or a high refresh rate. What is if you could get any monitor? What would you get?
I mean, I don't really know
Do you
yet.
want to go higher refresh rate or higher resolution?
I'd have to look into it. Because, like, they both have their ups and downs. Like, would I notice, like, a big difference, you think, in refresh rate? I don't know. I would probably notice something if it was higher resolution, but then I'd probably have to tone everything down a little bit.
Well, maybe we'll have to pick you up on a new monitor or maybe you can have that 1440p monitor when I get my new monitor. So I don't
You're
know.
already thinking of getting a new monitor.
I've been thinking about getting a new monitor.
Why?
Trent, why don't you push the power button for the first time and step around here and look at it.
So
I
majestic.
hand sleeved all those cables. I dusted
Check it
everything.
out.
It's actually an
Nice.
entirely different case. That's tempered glass on the side
I
instead of the
didn't-
plastic.
I didn't expect it, so it's still dawning on me that you got me this.
You thought, okay, my parents. So here, let me explain to them what happened. All right, so Trent's graphics card's been acting up for a while, and I had talked to my parents about getting him a new one, and they said they'd go halvesies with him. We wanted to surprise him because Trent never is surprised by anything, like literally ever. I'm actually impressed he's this surprised. Like Amber, do you agree that she's nodding?
I mean, I was just trying to clean my room because I thought I was just gonna borrow Amber's. So
We told him when he
I
says
I
borrow
wouldn't
Amber's.
actually clean the desk.
when-
I do this part.
when
Okay, so
he
got
says he was gonna
puppies
borrow
now.
Amber's, he thought he was gonna be borrowing Amber's GT 740. Okay. Instead, my parents and I surprised him with a GTX 1070 Ti.
I'll be back in a second.
I'm happy that he is surprised by it. I didn't get any chances to run any benchmarks on this because I was trying to just get it to him. He hasn't had a computer in like ages. For any of you that don't know, Trent games more than I do. So for me to have a better gaming system than him, it was kind of like I feel bad. So now he has something that is actually in some ways faster than my computer, in other ways not faster than my computer. So yeah. But we will hopefully see Trent playing more games with us on the channel using this. Wait, did I tell him the name of it? Okay, give me a sec. It's called Project Monochrome because your personality is monochrome, and so we decided to we decided to make it all black, gray, and white. Trent, Sadie, what do you think?
I already
doesn't
asked
know.
Sadie's opinion. Didn't you hear this
No.
conversation?
I didn't hear her part of it.
She said it was dank AF.
Oh, okay. Sounds
Two
like
paws
Sadie.
up.
All right. Amber goes, you know Trent's gonna be in his pajamas when you go over there, and I was
Yeah.
like, yeah. It's like they're just.
But I'm all nice and clean. No,
You are.
no combed hair. But
Fresh and clean.
that
All
doesn't
right.
matter.
So Trent, what do you think of the computer? Final thoughts. Are you excited?
I'm excited. I
Are
want
you
to try
excited
out a
enough?
whole bunch of games that I kind of played but haven't really played since the AMD card kind of sucked.
So a lot of the
Wolfenstein.
games I was gonna say Wolfenstein that he wanted to play was
Starbound.
terrible. Was Starbound really that bad? Even with the R9 390?
There was a glitch with the cards,
Okay.
and it would
Alright.
make it run. It wouldn't run bad, but it would be like Terry.
Well, because I felt bad. Because I felt bad that I have such a nice computer that I don't play video games on, and you play a lot of video games and you don't have. Now you do. Yeah. So, he thought he was gonna have to wait like 3 weeks because we RMA'd the R9 390, and
You gotta let me know. You gotta let me know what happened.
It's gonna be like 3 or 4 weeks, and he was like, "Oh, well, I don't know what I'm gonna use for school then." I'm like,
That's all I was really worried about. I was like, oh sweet, I have something to actually.
right there. There's your computer.
Oh, that's my calculator. That I need to
Ooh,
actually-
Casio. All
I
right,
think it's your old one.
I never had a calculator. So hopefully we'll see Trent more on the channel gaming now that he has a computer that can actually run stuff over 6 FPS.
If
Correct?
he's not
Yes?
too
No,
busy with
FPS
Sadie.
was mostly
Oh,
fine.
doggo love.
With
Doggo
most
love.
games.
Okay.
Because I don't play any, like, really AAA. So I knew they wouldn't run well. I gotta try Witcher 3 now.
I was gonna download Witcher 3 for you, but I didn't have enough time to download it all.
That's fine.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the build and what you think of the build, I guess. Leave a comment letting me know. Leave a like if you liked the video. Leave it a dislike if you disliked it. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Sorry if the audio on this is kind of bad. We're using the H4n Pro on top of the camera, so we're getting there. We're getting more gear, don't worry. Instagram, Twitter, and Patreon down in the description. If you like the content we make and you want to see us make more and better content, become a patron. Even at the $1 tier, it helps us buy gear for the channel and tech for reviews, which you guys love to see. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Oh.